to make one last batch of boxes before the holidays. So this really is your last chance to get one before they're officially gone forever. The factory sent me this video clip to show me how much people really want these boxes. And I am so humbled and so thankful for all your support. So once again, if you didn't get one, now is your last and final chance. Alright, hope you enjoy this video. What's up, YouTube? Today we are going to be exploding balloons. That's it, we're just gonna be exploding balloons. Let's do this! Okay, so I have this red balloon, and I have this blow dryer. So, you know what that means? You gotta stick the red balloon into the blow dryer, and then turn it on, and here we go. Alright, that did not work. I have a better solution, hold on. I have a bigger blow dryer, aka the leaf blower. So let's put this on here, and let's explode this red balloon. Alright, here we go. Exploding red balloon. Here we go. Tearing it. That was insane. Alright, let's move on to round two. I have here an even bigger balloon, so let's do this. Alright, let's apply some tape to make sure this doesn't release. There you go. This should be really secured. Hopefully this won't, escape the leaf blower. The explosion's gonna be really, really loud, so I have here some ear dampening things, aka tissue. I'm also gonna wear some protective eyewear. Or just these glasses. Alright, here we go! 3, 2, 1, alright! That's the end of the video. That's all I really wanted to do. Explode that giant balloon. Alright. If you want more exploding balloon challenges or whatnot, let me know. Let's get this video to 50,000 likes. I'll give you a lot more. That was so intense. You have to be in the presence of the balloon to actually feel it. It's unlike the screen, it's a lot different because, it can't hurt you. But in real life, it's just like, oh!